Hi everyone, my name is Vasanti and I'm the president at Sacred Vedic Arts, which is a spiritual center, Bhakti-yoga, devotional yoga in Miami. And one of our arts, we have many arts, one of our arts is visual arts, which is paintings. Our founder there, her name is Srimati Shamarani Dasi. She's a prolific artist, 60 years, she's been doing this transcendental visionary art. And this is a beautiful painting of Radharani and Krishna, divine feminine, divine masculine. You can't have one without the other. And they are actually the embodiment of divine love. Because we all want to connect, we're all searching for love. There's no one who's not searching for love. But the highest love, if we can connect with the topmost love, then we can be loving to everyone we meet, especially to ourselves. And so we have performing arts at our center, different dances and singing, culinary arts, very beautiful food. We cook with a lot of love and devotion, and we offer everything with the mantras and different ceremonies.